My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. It is going to be my July Boxycharm. I want another Boxy Luxe, man. That shit was awesome. So if you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So $21 a month, if you didn't already know. Now, let's open this baby up because I'm really excited to see what I got. Boxycharm has very quickly become probably my favorite. I don't know though. I just opened up my Ipsy Plus. Damn! Girl. So we'll see. You have very high expectations to live up to. No pressure though. Alright, so let me take out my little pamphlet. Oh, this month is all natural. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not a very natural type person. Okay. Okay, the first product that I see is this LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. Okay. This retails for $35. It is 2.5 ounces. So it says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smoothens, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Okay. I don't know how I feel about a veggie mask, to be honest. I like that it's full size though. Okay, what? So the next product is, this Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And it retails for $32. I'm excited. Okay. Here is what it looks like. Okay. That's pretty. Okay, that's pretty pigmented. I mean, this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. It really is. I just have, oh, I shouldn't swatch it then, shoot. Well, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I apologize that I swatched the first two shades for whoever gets this. But, I mean, it's a gorgeous palette, and these shades are really pigmented. I just have so many eyeshadows, and I honestly just don't think I'll use it that often. Because there was a little... Okay. So, the next item is this. Yeah. Okay, this Luxie Yeah 3-piece brush set. Okay, so it includes a Luxie 250, which is a large eye blending brush. Okay. Oh, that'll be really nice to like blend out concealer or eyeshadow primer as my first step. And then we have this 246, and it's called a precision crease. I mean, it could be a precision crease if you're putting, I mean, I would probably use this to put it on my lid, but hey, they can call it whatever they want to call it. Right, and then a Luxie 510 foundation brush. Ooh. It's very soft. So, and it has this pretty like pinkish wood. Okay, and this retails for $30, and it says on the front, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Okay, I am all down for being earth friendly. I'm just not a very natural type person. I love the earth, don't get me wrong. Mother Earth is my bitch, but I can still be glam while loving Mother Earth at the same time. Alright, the next product is, ooh, this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Santorini, and this retails for $20. Okay. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. And let me do a swatch. Okay, it's very pretty, like pinkish purple, like fuchsia color. Yes. Alright, I'm not mad at you. And the last product, oh wow, it's these Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. This retails for $17, and it says these convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. Oh, okay. Alright, and I also just noticed that there is a coupon in the box for $10 off the Ulta Skin Bar. Okay, I'm not mad at it at all. Yeah, I'm really super excited about the brushes, the makeup wipes, the lipstick, and I'm even a little bit intrigued to use this. The only thing I'm not super thrilled with is this palette. I mean, I think it's a gorgeous palette, and it's not Boxycharm's fault that I have way too many eyeshadows, but it's just not something that I think I'll use. But that is good for you guys, because then I will put it in a giveaway. So, the more products I don't like, the happier everyone should be. Alright, let me know what you think about my Boxycharm, or what you got in your Boxycharm for the month of July. And yeah, I need to go do some laundry and unpack. Alright guys, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.